Have you ever seen such a wallet just so gorgeous before? Those are Skittles. Okay, they're not drugs. So gorgeous. Yeah, it's a wallet. Okay. Hello, everybody, and this is going to be my video entry for Duct Tape Wallets contest. This is going to be my duct tape wallet. Oh no. Yeah. So this is my flip wallet, sort of. So when I open it up, there's 2 credit cards right off the bat. This credit card right here has 2 blue stripes on the black. So stands out. And here is the Pokeball design. Pokeball design. Awesome effects, right? But everything here was made without an X-Acto knife. Everything here was with scissors. So open it up. Here's the Pokemon Poliwhirl. Yeah. So this whole design was made with scissors. I don't know if you can see it, but I put clear tape over it, so that's why it's sort of shiny. You can see the shine. But everything was done with scissors. And that's another credit card. Now up here on the Pokeball, we have the ID slot, and there's a hole right there in the middle. So I can slide it in and out really easily. But yeah, so I like this because the Pokeball just flaps down. It's like, Poliwhirl, I chose you. Use a card, I choose you. But yeah, this is my everyday wallet. It's nice and slim and compact versus like, I don't know, my Mario wallet, I guess you could say. See, it's not as big. So it fits in your pocket just like this would fit in your pocket. Not as bulky, but just as nice. So this was, get that out of the way. This is my Pokemon wallet. Pokemon wallet. Pokemon